Hello and welcome back to the new lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about Calendly. See, we are doing so much effort. We are running ads, we are doing marketing, we have a website, we are meeting people, but we need to bring everybody on to one platform to fix our online appointments. Calendly is the front runner in that. There is no competition to Calendly. There are other apps too, there are other tools too similar to Calendly, but Calendly is so easy to use, so easy to integrate, and so much fun to use. Okay, so let's get started. So we go to calendly.com. I wanted to first show you the pricing page. So it's a free plan. There is one plan that is always free. In that plan, you can create one event and you can have unlimited meetings, so good. But the only restriction is that you can create one event at a time. So if you have different plans to create 15 minutes or 30 minutes or 1 year meeting, or you want to collaborate with others, you may have to upgrade it to the paid plan. That is standard. The standard plan actually serves every purpose. I mean, you can create unlimited event types, meeting types, and you can also connect multiple calendars like Google or Outlook or any other calendar that you use. Okay, so creating an account is easy. We click on Let's Get Started and we sign up with Google. Authorize and allow, because we want Calendly to access our calendar. This is where it will automate everything. Okay, I'll show you in a bit. On my own. So if you're planning to use Calendly for your team, there's a higher end plan for the team where you do a lot of collaboration, you do joint meeting and so on. But for the time, we are just creating it for ourselves. So on my own, then it asks you a few basic details like what kind of work you do. And we are into consulting. And with that basic detail, we have our account ready. So like you see, it's a 30-minute one-to-one meeting already created. You can only make changes in this meeting. So I click here and then we need to specify our availability. So you can see the blue highlighted text here. So these are Monday to Friday, 30 minutes. You can even do it 60 minutes or whatever. So change the duration, change the name. Is it a Zoom call, phone call, or in person, or it's a Google Meet? So all these options are here. Give a short description about it and save and close. Let me just specify it's a Google Meet and save and close. Now you need to do the scheduling settings, like what time in future your other people can actually book a meeting with you. You can do it 60 or you can do it max 60, but I suggest doing it in the next 14 days. So you will only be able to book an appointment with you in the next 14 days only. What will be your timing? I mean, Monday to Friday, or if you are available on Sunday also, then you can actually activate that. So Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, you can do that. Once you are done, save and close. Then of course you want to have some buffer time between two meetings. You can you can add that tool. You can, before event or even after event, you need, let's say, 15 minutes before event and 15 minutes after the event. Oops. You can do that depending upon your requirements. You need you need the minimum notice of 4 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours. You can select that, and you can also set the daily limit, how many appointments you want to do in one day. I say 4. Again, depends on your schedule. You can do whatever you feel like, and save and close. And then the booking page. This is how the booking page will look like. It's let's say 60 minutes, because we did 60-minute link. You want to capture the name, email, and if you want to ask any question, you can also add your questions here. You can add multiple questions here before they book the event with you, book an appointment with you. This will help you prepare yourself for the meeting. So it is better to ask a couple of questions before they book it, so that you are prepared properly. The confirmation page, some basic things, save and close. And that is it. So if I click on share, I copy link and let me open it in a different browser. This is how the meeting and booking page looks like. So someone comes to your, let me open it on a incognito mode. So this is the meeting page. This is the meeting scheduling page. This is how it looks to your visitors, to your prospect, or whoever wants to have a meeting with you. So they see the available dates and time. They can select the time, click on next, enter the name, email, and the details, the questions that you have asked, and schedule an event. With the schedule an event, because we have already connected our Google Meet and our Google account to Calendly, Calendly will create an event automatically from Google Meet, send the link and all the details to the other person, and also save that meeting time in your Google Calendar. So it will sync all these things on its own, and you get notified about the meeting. You get notified because we added 2 hours prior to the meeting. We get notified 2 hours prior to the meeting time, and you have all this on your calendar. So you can connect one calendar, 2 or more, depending on the plan that you have. In the free plan, you can connect one calendar, so that we have connected our Google Calendar. So when the event is created, all the parties, you and the person who requested for the meeting, get the notification through Calendly, which is generated on Google Calendar. Okay, so the link, time, and all these details are shared with the person who wants to talk to you and fix the meeting. Okay, that is where the quality of the beauty of Calendly comes in. You do not have to do anything. Once you have created the meeting page, you have done the scheduling, you have given the time frame. You can even create multiple time frame in a single day. For example, in the morning you want to dedicate it 2 hours, and in the evening you want to dedicate 2 hours. So all this can be customized when you're creating the meeting or the event. So you just have to create that once and relax, and you just keep promoting the link. So if someone comes to your meeting page, fix up an appointment, and you get the notification, emails, links, and meeting links are already shared with them. So it all works beautifully and perfectly without any errors. Okay, just go through Calendly. It is very easy to use. Just get your hands on it, start using it. Once you start using it, you will understand the beauty and simplicity of Calendly and how it makes your job so easier in scheduling the meeting. Okay, so that was all in this session. I'll see you in the next one.